How can I help you today?
Well, I'm calling for my wife, Doc. We've been on the longevity products for about a year, but we just kind of went gluten-free about 3 weeks ago. But my wife has been on antidepressants and Prilosec for 15 or 20 years. And then for about 5 years, the last 5 years, she's been on replacement hormones.
Mm-hmm.
She's off of those about 6 months. She's off the Prilosec. She's weaning off the antidepressants, and she just took a yeast test. She's got a yeast infection going on, and she thinks she has leaky gut.
Okay. Well, the leaky gut goes along with the gluten intolerance.
Okay.
So leaky gut is a manifestation of gluten intolerance. So the tighter she gets on the gluten-free diet, if you have a dog and cat in the house, can't be dry dog food because they're made from gluten. You can't eat gluten in the house, kind of thing. You can't have it in the house because crumbs get everywhere. You wash clothes together, so you have to have separate clothes for outside. If you're hanging around gluten-eating people outside, you can't wear those in the house. My wife makes me take my shoes off and come through the mud room when I come home, and so I've got to strip down and take a shower in the mud room before I get into the house in general, because she doesn't want me dragging everything into the house.
Smart lady.
Yep, she is. And so that's what we got to do, that kind of stuff. But sounds like everything's kind of going the right direction. It's a time process. And how old is your wife, Dave?
She's 52.
Yeah. Okay, well, she's, again, if she even considers she has leaky gut, then she certainly does have a gluten intolerance. And she's had it since she was an embryo. And so...
Right, she lost her appendix at about 6 or 7 years old.
Yeah, okay, well, that's another feature of gluten intolerance. So, yeah, and so it's going to take a few months on a gluten-free diet to begin to get optimal absorption. It might take 6 months or a year to get complete 100% healing. Okay. And this is you have to be ever vigilant. You cannot cure gluten intolerance, but you can manage it 100% and add 25 to 50 healthful, depression-free, reflux-free, and hormonal problem-free by getting on the proper diet and supplementing with the 90 essential nutrients. And it doesn't hurt with a history of depression, as we know, to the de-stress capsules and the selenium. And, of course, we have the Woman's FX to replace the HRT. And there's all these kind of things. It's a shift in lifestyle, and I just applaud you for doing this. The whole household is going to work for it. And if you have children... she has passed on the gluten intolerance to her children, your children, and so they have to practice the gluten-free diet also. Otherwise,
we're working on that.
Okay, very good. Okay, well, God bless you.
What about the yeast, Doc? How do we get rid of the yeast?
Okay, are these vaginal yeast?
Yes.
Okay, what you want to do is get the tampons and use our colloidal silver on the tampon before you take it out of the applicator. Have her apply the tampon that's soaked in the colloidal silver at bedtime, and then wake up in the morning. She can take the tampon out and do that every day for 2 weeks, and that will kill the yeast. Of course, she needs the Killer Biotic, 3 of those twice a day. It's a blend of 8 herbs, and they all will support the immune system. 2 of those herbs are antimicrobial. They have the capacity to kill yeast, bacteria, fungus, viruses, and so on. And so you do it from the inside with the Killer Biotic, and you do it from the outside with the colloidal silver by the tampon. Okay?
Thank you, Doc.
You bet. And then give me a report in 2 weeks. She'll be a new woman.